Hi, I have a book in my hand, Bhagavad Gita. This is a very life-changing book for me and it personally helped me a lot. I have been attending the live sessions of Acharya Prasant. You might have heard his name on different social media platforms and he is very popular. He is a Vedantic philosopher and currently teaching Gita, Upanishad, Sunita Sapsati, Santvani in his live app on Acharya Prasant. You can download on the Play Store. So this book is basically interpretation of Bhagavad Gita. You might have read Bhagavad Gita several times, but this book, after reading this book, it will give you a different dimension of thinking that okay, the verses can be thought in those ways also, because the Bhagavad Gita has a very fixed number of verses, but how you are interpreting it, if it is not resonating with your daily life, then it is not fruitful at all. So this Bhagavad Gita is different from other Bhagavad Gita available in the market, or you can say that people who have commented on the Bhagavad Gita. So this is a bit different. Why is it so? I have read more than 4 to 5 Bhagavad Gita by different authors or different saints, but this was really masterpiece which I liked very much. And in this book, I would like to recommend you to, if you have not read this book, please read it. And few of the here's a summary what kind of how the means what we say that what is the theme or what is the why to read this Bhagavad Gita. This Bhagavad Gita is special because it is narrated in very worldly, very practical setting. Bhagavad Gita is not Guru sitting under a shady banyan tree in the tranquil silence of holy jungle, sermonizing to someone plain, obedient, willing student, neither in the sitting tranquil at all, nor in the sermon academic at all, and least of all the student plain and willing. It's real life setting in which you do not have the luxury of a formal podium, a formal appointment, a formal code of conduct. It's the war chariot, not the temple. There are armies around, not silent, idly trees, cute animals, and one being spoken to is biased, emotional, and unwilling listener, not someone keen student. Life and death depend on this course of, in the literal sense, not just figuratively, literally. Life and death depends on this discourse. Therefore, this discourse has so much potency. So, this book is not basically the transcription or translation. It's it will give you a different dimension, as I said you earlier. If I tell you about the content, or what is the content in this Bhagavad Gita, so after reading this book, I was able to interpret that how the verses have, what is the flow of Bhagavad Gita from Adhyay 1, Arjun Visad Yoga, to the Sankhya Yoga, to the Karma Yoga, and so you will get that that how it is flowing, from where is it starting, what is the story. And it's not only about a story, how that story is resonating with your life. If it is not related to your life, this book is waste. Okay, anything which you are reading or in which you are spending your time, if there is no self, means if you are not involved at all, then it is not fruitful at all for you. So the table of contents, if I would like to show you, then you can pause the video and read it. By the way, I am also narrating it. Duryodhan's torment, the bondage of biology and culture, the fleeting opportunity of human birth, the bondage of superstition and casteism. So these are the chapter names, but beyond the chapter name, it starts with the verses. Okay, you can see that verses are there, and it's Sanskrit and English meaning is given over there. So firstly, the verses are mentioned, and then the Acharya Prasant Samvad is there, that whatever he has tried to explain in. I would like to read a couplet for you. Means one punchline which has been given by Acharya Prasant. Dharma is not a special presence of something extraordinary. It is the absence of a lot of things that plague the normal ordinary mind. So that was basically what the dharma is. Like the first verse starts with Dharm Kshetre Kurukshetre. So what that dharma word means. Okay. Similarly, if you will go through the book you will get to know about what are our tendencies, what is the culture, how we have to think. So what is the spirituality means, how the Bhagavad Gita is related with your pure self, and how the Maya or the nature, Prakriti, Swabhav, these all words you will encounter while reading this book. And we all are in the state of Arjun, and there is someone not outside us, within us itself, but we have to give that power to it, so that it can help us to come out of that situation. And there should be some Krishnatva in your life. So I would like to recommend you must read this book, okay? And as I earlier told you, it's interpretation, not just a translation, okay? So read this. You can order the book from Amazon, Flipkart, all those website, e-commerce website. And if you order it from Acharya Prasant official website, it will be very you can get it at very reasonable amount. Basically it's donation, okay, contribution amount. And you can also join the live Gita session with Acharya Prasant through Acharya Prasant app. I will give you the link in the description box. Through that link you can see that these books, ebooks are also available, so you can also read the ebooks if you don't have that much time. Moreover, if you want to join the session, you can contact me. If you have any doubt, or you can just download the Acharya Prasant app, you can get every details there and join the session. Have the opportunity to listen and to meet in person as well as online to such a Vedantic philosopher, Acharya Prasant. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and instead if you are having any query, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and bye.